guys, in this video I would like to show us how we can make a duet on TikTok. Let's dive in. So when you log into your home page, any video you like to make a duet with, once it comes up, so you can just click on the share icon here. When you click on share, it will bring down the options below, so you can just swipe to the left. You will see where it says duet. So when you click on duet, it will allow you to make a video side by side with the video you are making a duet with. That's simply what it means to make a duet. It's loading. Let's wait for it to load. So it has loaded, so you can start recording your own version of the video. Now when you click on record, then it will bring a tick option here. When you click on tick, that is after you might have finished recording your video. Then you can decide to add a text here. You can do whatever you want to do here. You can save it here if you don't want to share it immediately, and then from there you click on next. You click on next, then from here you can add your hashtag, you can add options and all of that. Then you click on post. That's how to make a duet on TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you can be notified. Thank you.